Welcome to Best Choice. The best kitchen gadgets is probably one of the most exciting and rewarding investments a parent can make for their child, transforming mealtime from a chore into a delightful adventure and fostering a lifelong love for culinary exploration. Imagine the joy on your little one's face as they safely chop, mix, and decorate their own delicious creations, building confidence and essential life skills with every whisk and stir. These specially designed tools not only make cooking fun and accessible for tiny hands but also ensure safety, durability, and ease of use, paving the way for countless happy kitchen memories and a healthier relationship with food. Number 5. Magical Flames Fire Color Packets, 12-pack. Tired of ordinary fires? Instantly elevate your fire pit experience from dull to dazzling with our magical packets. Just drop them in and watch the vibrant, dancing flames captivate everyone. Using them couldn't be simpler. No need for any preparation or cleanup. Just toss 1 to 3 unopened packets directly into your wood-burning fire and witness the magic unfold in seconds. Enjoy a spectacular display of vivid, colorful flames for up to an hour before they begin to fade. Want to extend the enchantment? Simply add another packet to keep the brilliant show going. These are designed for all your wood fires, whether indoors or outdoors. They are perfect for campfires, backyard fire pits, bonfires, or fireplaces, adding excitement safely and easily. Both kids and adults will be mesmerized by the stunning color effects. Bring them along on your next camping trip or backyard gathering to make every fire moment truly unforgettable. What we like? Want to add a touch of magic to your outdoor gatherings? This product creates mesmerizing, vibrant flames that will captivate everyone. If you're looking for a simple way to elevate your campfire or backyard fire pit experience, this is the perfect choice for adding excitement and wonder to any occasion. What people say. The pots and pans are a good size for little hands and the utensils are easy to grip. My child loves pretending to cook with this set, and it has sparked their imagination. The set includes a variety of accessories like spatulas, whisks, and measuring cups, which adds to the play value. Number 4. The Complete Baking Book for Young Chefs. Discover a world of delicious possibilities with over 100 sweet and savory recipes designed just for you. It's time to get creative in the kitchen. From delightful desserts to savory snacks, this book has something for every taste. You'll find recipes that are fun to make and even more fun to eat. Learn to bake treats that are perfect for sharing with friends and family. Imagine the joy of creating something delicious all by yourself. This guide is specifically created for young aspiring chefs like you. It makes baking simple, fun, and rewarding. Explore a wide range of flavors, from sweet cookies and cakes to savory breads and pizzas. You'll love every bite you create. Get ready for an exciting baking adventure that will fill your home with wonderful aromas and delicious tastes. Let's start baking together. What we like? This comprehensive cookbook is designed for young aspiring chefs. It offers a vast array of delicious sweet and savory recipes perfect for baking, sharing, and enjoying. If you're a child who loves to bake or wants to learn, this book provides endless opportunities to create and master delightful treats. What people say. This is a great starter set for my toddler. It has all the basic tools she needs to play chef. The pots and pans are a good size for little hands and seem durable. My daughter loves pretending to cook with this set. The accessories are cute and engaging. Number 3. Cute Stone Pretend Play Kitchen Toy Set. This comprehensive set includes everything your child needs for imaginative cooking adventures. It features a pressure pot, induction cooktop, kettle, various utensils, and even play food with a shopping basket. Experience the fun with realistic features. The pretend pressure cooker releases real steam, and the electronic cooktop lights up and makes sounds. The simulation kettle even works with water. Watch your child's delight as they peel and cut colorful play fruits and vegetables. This realistic food set provides endless hours of engaging fun and imaginative play. This pretend cooking playset is more than just fun, it's a wonderful educational tool. It helps children develop important life skills, enhance fine motor skills, and encourages imaginative play away from screens. The fun doesn't stop there. A realistic and durable shopping basket is included, perfect for storing the play food. This set guarantees hours of entertainment for your little ones. What we like? This playset offers an incredibly realistic kitchen experience for children. With features like real steam, lights, and sounds, it brings pretend cooking to life. If your child enjoys imaginative role-playing and wants a comprehensive kitchen set with all the accessories, this is an excellent option for hours of engaging fun. What people say. The cooking set is made of durable, food-grade plastic, ensuring safety for children. It includes a variety of utensils and pots, allowing for imaginative play and learning about cooking. The design is child-friendly with smooth edges and easy-to-grip handles, making it perfect for little hands. Number 2. Tovla Junior Kid Safe Knife Set. Introducing the Tovla Junior Kid Safe Knife Set, designed for real cooking adventures. This 3-piece toddler kitchen set is perfect for young chefs aged 4 to 12. Looking for the perfect gift? This set makes a thoughtful Christmas, birthday, or stocking stuffer surprise. Inspire confidence and creativity in your child's kitchen journey. Encourage hands-on discovery and real-life kitchen skills with this engaging set. It's perfect for Montessori and STEM activities, connecting food preparation with learning. Our specially engineered blades allow kids to slice fruits and vegetables safely. Parents can rest assured knowing they are using real tools designed just for them. Turn mealtime into a fun learning opportunity. Children are more likely to try new foods when they prepare them themselves, making it a game changer for picky eaters. Made from durable, BPA-free, and dishwasher-safe materials, this set is built to last. It's trusted by parents and teachers for family cooking and screen-free fun. What we like. Designed with safety and learning in mind, these knives allow children to participate in real cooking safely. They are perfect for encouraging healthy eating habits by letting kids prepare their own fruits and vegetables. If you're looking for a way to introduce your child to cooking, foster independence, and support STEM learning, this set is an ideal starter kit. What people say. The cooking equipment is very durable and has held up well to frequent use by my children. I appreciate the safety features included, such as the heat-resistant handles and the non-slip base, which give me peace of mind when my kids are using it. The variety of tools included in the set is fantastic, allowing my children to explore different cooking techniques and recipes. Number 1. JOVITEC 8 PCS Kid Safe Nylon Knife Set. Introducing a set of 8 safe nylon knives designed for young chefs. They come in a variety of bright colors to make cooking fun. These versatile tools can safely cut a wide range of foods. From fruits and vegetables to bread and cakes, they handle it all. With serrated edges and a child-safe design, these knives help protect little fingers. They are a safer alternative to traditional metal knives. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, these knives are non-toxic and safe for everyday use. They can even withstand boiling water without deforming. Use these colorful knives to cook together with your child. It's a wonderful way to bond, create delicious meals, and teach valuable life skills. What we like. This set provides a variety of colorful, plastic knives with serrated edges, perfect for little hands. They are safe for cutting a wide range of foods, from fruits to bread. If you need a safe, non-toxic, and versatile knife set for your child to explore their culinary interests and help in the kitchen, this is a great choice for creating happy cooking memories. What people say. The pots and pans are a good size for little hands and the utensils are easy to grip. My child loves pretending to cook and this set has everything they need to get started. The materials are durable and have held up well to frequent use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.